everyone, it's Raleigh, and this week I'm planning my Hobonichi Cousin for the week of August the 19th. Last week I didn't end up posting a video, I just did a short, and you can see my layout was very simple. I didn't get to it till Wednesday, but I wanted to put something in for the week, but kind of the way it was going, I didn't anticipate it was going to get a lot better, although it actually did improve. So I just did something very simple and did a quick short about it. But I've been looking forward to this. These just came in from Coffee Monsterz Co, some new washi tapes with one of my favorite designs, kind of woods design. But I'm going to start by putting these numbers up top because I haven't used these in a little while, and I like the look of these with the washi with the black, so I think it'll turn out nicely. And yeah, I don't know, the last couple weeks, last week, and like today I'm doing this on a Monday, sometimes I end up doing it on a Monday, and I had a really good weekend, and then Monday it was just kind of one thing after the other, and so Wednesday came along, and so I finally decided to put something in it, which does happen, but I was still using my dailies. And then this past weekend was good. I was able to decompress, which was nice. But I didn't end up actually getting this set up. It's now Monday. I just finished work, so I thought now I want to get to it. Although my procrastination paid off because today I went to get the mail, went for a walk to get the mail at lunch, and the new washi tape had arrived. So I thought this is perfect to do today. I'll get the rest of these on. And I think this week I'll just be doing a simple layout. Again, today started not as great as I'd hoped, so I'm hoping I can turn it around. We'll see. It's nothing dire, serious. It was just one of these, I don't know, last week and today I just felt I was kind of fumbling along, and it wasn't so much things going wrong as things not going right, just feeling a little off kilter, which I think does happen sometimes. So I'm going to start with this one up top. This is one that I actually got 2 rolls of because when I saw the design, it just made me smile. The little emojis with the little leaves on top. So we'll use this up top here. And actually, you know what? I'm going to line it a little more up with the side there. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Then these times happen, but I have amazing friends, and I had some good talks and good encouragement. So, but hopefully this week will be a little bit lighter, easier to get through. But on the other hand, looking at the more positive side, I knew things were kind of off last week, but I was very conscious of how I was feeling and kind of let myself feel it, and did some comfort things, not in a bad way, but just kind of read books and watched things that I knew would kind of relax me and make me smile. And I think, even though this is a bigger one that I normally use on the bottom, I really want to see it more, so I'm going to put it midway through. And yeah, I think this will just be a simple week setup. So I'll get this down. And this is very similar. It's there's a kit you can get from Coffee Monsterz Co called Into the Woods that I've gotten a few times. Actually, that reminds me, I should probably get another one for fall. But yeah, I just really like this design. And one thing I did make an effort to do as well, especially over the weekend, was get outside a lot. And beautiful walking trails near me. And this is reminding me of that. So there we go. I think that looks really pretty. I do have another washi. It's like a thin emoji one with like a wood grain background, but I think I kind of just want to use color. So let me see what I've got. Oh, you know what? Before I forget, I will put my little, this is what my monthly's good for, to remember. My brain is, so today, yes, this week is a pay and recycling. Okay. That's about all. I use my monthly pretty minimally. I just put kind of big, more important things, like birthdays and stuff. But outside of that, I just use it to keep track of paydays and recycling. So let me get those. Oh, Wren. She's very attentive today. Okay, there we go. And recycling one. My drawer where I keep all my supplies is a bit of a mess. Oh, hi, Wren. It is one of the things it's been on my list for like a couple of weeks to kind of reorganize and sort of tidy up my supplies and everything. But it kind of got put on the back burner. But I'm actually expecting, I think, another order. There's a subscription box coming, and then I did like another order, which is odd because I think like a month and a bit ago, I'm like, oh, I only order like quarterly. But then there had been the sale, I think, just around that time. And then there was another birthday sale. So, yeah. I think I'm going to put a black line to separate out the weekend. So although it may seem kind of like a lot, truly they're the only things I get. Like everything else I kind of have. And it's the only company I use. So I tend to get a little more maybe than usual because it's the only place I get my stuff. But it does just seem to keep going on though, because I think the monthly kits for next year and all that should start to be coming out in the next little while, and all the new planners themselves. I've continued to be watching a lot of different videos. It's been interesting lately to see a lot of people talking about what planners they're going to be using. I'll be using the Cousin again. This is just a good fit for me, plus my traveler's notebooks, which I have really been enjoying using as well. I had a video a little while ago about them, and I'll probably do another one maybe in the fall with sort of where they are. There's nothing terribly interesting in them, and there's not really a lot of setup once they're initially there, but I'll do that. And yeah, we'll separate this out. And yeah, I love these colors. The browns and the greens just all look so pretty. All right. And I think I want to keep it simple this week. So let me think about, I think putting some color down might be the next thing. Let's see what I can do. All right, so my phone ran out of space, so I had to stop and start recording again, and Wren's here to help me. She's lovely. Good girl. Yeah, I gotta try and actually write and do some stuff on here, so we'll see how this goes. But yeah, I think I want to just put some kind of swatches of color on here, some green and maybe some brown. Oh my goodness, my mind. It's been happening, well, more lately, but my mind just seems to get so kind of foggy and muddled. It's the strangest thing. It happens at work as well. I just find thinking through things takes so much longer than it used to. Hopefully this will pass. All right, so I'm just going to put these little swatches. I think green up here will look nice. And then I think I'm going to use I'll use the Today stick. I could write it in. Oh, you know what? I'll use the stickers because I've got them. Yes. Okay. Yeah, this may not work out so well. Let's see how we do. So let's put some of these down. Oh, Wren. She's adorable. And so is Winona, who you never really get to see because she doesn't tend to wander through when I'm doing these things. I'll have to, in one of my videos, include a picture of her because she's very sweet too. So yeah, I think I'll just put these Today stickers up top. And part of the reason I was holding off and didn't actually do this yesterday was because I was thinking it would be nice to have one more sort of filled in. My idea this week was to have a week where I was actually going to put in my intentions for each day. Normally I don't do that necessarily because stuff gets shuffled around, but I honestly, my brain just couldn't think through. Hey, Wren, my brain just couldn't think through day to day. And even today now, I've kind of gone through the day and I thought, oh, at the end of the day, I'll know what's happening, what I want to do each day, and nope. But that's okay. It's not going to stop me from doing this. All right, I need one more, and that'll be it. And then, yeah, I think in the bottom, I'll just put some sections, but I don't want to overwhelm myself. I think I've got stickers with like little dots and things. And then I think I'll put this up here for the weekend, and I'll just end up writing it in myself. If I can reach around the kitty cat. But yeah, I was saying it has been really nice when I'm writing weekend. But it has been nice seeing videos and seeing people talking about what different planners they might be using. There are a lot of really nice ones, and for me it's almost like I get overwhelmed by choice and I kind of want to try everything. And same with companies that have different kinds of stickers, and there's so much out there. But for me, I've kind of found my spot where I'm sort of comfortable with what I'm using and I enjoy doing it and I don't feel too overwhelmed by it. All right, so what else am I gonna do? I'll start by finding those stickers. I swear I have them with like 3 little dots. Maybe I'll use those in the bottom where I'll just kind of keep lists of things that I need to get done, which apparently are not in my head at all right now, but hopefully will come to me at some point this week. All right, let me see my drawer. Ugh. Wren's gonna help me. I can't even begin to imagine what this video is gonna look and sound like. So if you're still watching, thank you. From me and Wren. Her little feet. Okay. Hang on. Think I got them. All right, success. I think I've actually found them. Let's see here. Okay, yeah, I think I need to commit to maybe next week doing a video about my drawer and my planner supplies. Otherwise, I'm not gonna, I feel like I'm not gonna do it, and it's driving me mad. Okay, so I think I'll use these every day, and I'll just kind of sprinkle them throughout each day and just vary the heights and stuff of them. Just to be a little bit looser. Let me get these all down. And here we are after a ridiculously long time it took me to do this. So I just put those stickers all along the bottom with some headers so I can just jot down a couple of things, only 3 under kind of each category to hopefully accomplish this week or to focus on. And the last thing I'm doing is I thought I'd just put in a couple of these little leaves just to sprinkle them around. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching whatever this has become. And if you have any thoughts, please feel free to share them in the comments. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.